You said that?
If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically travel to hang out with my subscribers, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone.
Excuse me, hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Like, you got the yellow bike, the Kindle, this is the whole vibe.
It's a beautiful afternoon.
We were just outside.
Well, if you're down to grab a drink or something sometime, we could maybe do that.
My mom didn't raise no pussy.
Hey guys, made it to Atlanta. I'm gonna film 2 people this weekend. The full episodes are gonna come on Sundays, but this is just a little highlight and a sneak peek behind the scene. Enjoy.
Hey, I'm Colin, I'm 25 years old.
Hey, I'm Sohil, I'm 25, I work in tech.
Right now I do landscape design. I was in a very long relationship for about 6.5 years.
One thing is like just like fear of judgment, or maybe other people are gonna see.
It's more of not really knowing like how to carry the conversation. So I was wondering after, oh my goodness, I'm sorry, it's been a long day.
I know you're like, huh? What?
What was that?
I was just gonna say.
You guys from around here?
No.
No? Okay, well, you guys take it easy, okay?
I wanted to just become more comfortable talking to people.
We're here and we're knee deep, so we're gonna make it happen.
You can't escape now.
Yeah, no, I can't run now. He has my car keys.
He's questioning his life choices.
I am.
Oh my gosh. You want me to go back there?
I guess of being a group, even though that doesn't really, that's like you said, that's all in my head.
Yeah, it's easy to just generate excuses like that.
Was today good?
So it was pretty good. He was like
this guy yesterday was amazing.
No.
how are you? Because we also want to order drinks. I'm so confused.
Dude, she was literally like, called him over, was like, you've got dreamy eyes. Like, she literally said that.
What's that?
It's super bold of you. I
Sohil?
appreciate it. I love the confidence.
Yeah.
That's very bold of
All good, yeah.
Like Atlanta?
Yeah, these are the pouches.
Can I have a sip? I did it. I did it. I did it. Literally, I just face palmed myself in front of them.
Has she come out and greeted you guys yet?
No.
What can I get for you guys? I'll put it in.
We're just left here by the service in this establishment is
I know,
terrible.
Sorry. He's from out of town. He doesn't, he doesn't.
I've seen him every day the past 3 or 4 days.
He loves this place. He loves this place. That's good.
The service is whatever, but the vibes is good.
Well, the cafe closes at 5.
Oh, that's it.
And you come in after. You hate rules. You just don't like them.
For me, it's open,
I don't make drinks or anything for anybody in here. And
Just
this
for
man
me.
has had make
He's
it
crazy.
What's your name?
Terry.
Terry?
Yes.
Ruben.
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure. I'm leaving tomorrow, so.
Are you leaving? I'm gonna miss you.
Today's the last day.
Who am I gonna make?
Hey, if my drink is fast enough, I'll order another one.
Feel good. It's making me, they're just humans.
I'm like not like in a relationship, but like kind of. But,
Oh, well.
But like that's so cool that you are friendly. And
Okay, yeah, for sure.
I know actually quite a bit of Spanish. I can understand a lot.
She can speak Spanish.
Really? One more time? I speak Spanish?
Are you, what does that mean you're like kind of in a relationship?
Like,
You can't like squeeze me in?
but, like
You're just like figuring things out, you don't know where it's going?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, maybe, how about I grab your number, and then if, you're open to it later, maybe we can do something?
Sure.
All right, sweet.
How was that for you?
Yeah, not bad. I might just say that. Yeah, it was good. Yeah, it was all right. Yeah, decent. Yeah, it was all right. Really not that bad, honestly. Pretty relaxed. Yeah, it was good. It was pretty good.
What's up?
Hola, señor.
Hello, how are you?
Are you always
I'm happy.
spreading the good vibes?
Somebody's got to do it. I used to be really quiet and really shy.
What changed?
I don't know. I got older and I stopped caring as much.
You've got some killer style right now.
Thank you.
It's like 90s type
Thank you.
rap music video vibe. But what are you up to today?
So we're on the same page.
Yeah, exactly.
I have Facebook, it's there.
Yeah, me too. I never checked it.
Yeah, me either.
She was like, who the hell is this guy? Okay. Yeah, I guess. It's true. It's kind of crazy to think about.
Just be genuine and just be yourself, and that's when people are really gonna like you and be interested in talking to you.
Like once you start talking to people and you just make it normal, it's really not a big deal.
Get rid of the anxiety. It's all in your head. Get out of your head. Just do it. Live life. People are nice.
Did somebody say any hairs in here?
No, not this time.
What, they took it back?
What?
They took it back?
Yeah, yeah.
You know?
Are you for real? I was like, would I come up here if I was playing? No.
Okay, that's it guys. The trip to Atlanta is over. The full episodes are gonna come every Sunday. I forgot what I was supposed to say. Okay guys, the trip to Atlanta is over. Wherever you guys are, if you want to spend a day with me, just shoot me an email, ruben@socialanimal.us, and that's it. See you guys next time.
Yeah, later.